Yes, good evening everybody. Good evening, real quick live. Share this live. I want to thank this live. I want to thank each and every one of the owners. I'm at the tip of the pier. We got this little section left. A little bit right there. We finished this on Sunday. Thanks to all the donors. It's worse. It's pretty bad. You know what? The tip now, we're at the tip. So we will finish this on Sunday. We're back here Sunday. So we have to go all the way to the tip of the pier. Alright, so right now we did majority of it. Phase 1, phase 2 coming up. And this is it. This is it. Okay. This side right here. I'm at the extreme tip. You can't go across. See look. See look. And I'm walking on this plank here, but very dangerous. And we gotta do something. I'm proud of all the big Alesian, American, everybody from around the world that chip into this project. It feels so good that you guys did it. The people is doing it. And I really can't say how I feel right now. The joy, and I can't really truly express myself. Gratitude for seeing such. The beautiful thing about it is people coming together and doing what is necessary for our community. Time and time again, we tend to hold back each other from progressing in life. And if we could see that we could find a solution for it. It's not hard, it's just the way how we think. And I would say to each and every one of you on this live right now, let me touch this thing. I'll flip this thing right now. Then I saw it that. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we're good. I think that's all. Yeah. I think we're good right there. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you see it on the screen right there, on the screen right there, say all the donors that has yeah, you alright sis, we alright man, we know we don't see growing people. If we drop, we just swim to this, we just swim the land. You know, we used to this, but again, it feels so good to be out there, and when you see the progress, it encourages people to live for each other, because we're not be here for forever now. Anything can happen at any given day. You know, and the pouring of support for this is so overwhelming. We can't take ourselves right now. We know that it was going to happen, but we never know when we get this overwhelming amount of support. So if you look at there, up there, you got we can see if I could read. We got I can't see. Kenisha Williams and her family. We have Jacqueline Sanchez. We have Lisa Cheng from Impact Design. We have Michelle Batam and Batam and the family. We got man, I can't see. Aye. It's getting bad. Let me see who else we got for tank. Basila Zabane, Ocean View. We want to thank again Rosita Alvarez, Charlie Marr, Jubilee Foundation, Mr. Ella Kanaki. Let me see. We got No. Aaron Anderson, Paul Arjou and the family, the Vincent Lopez, Desiree Pasquale and her family, Uncle Demas from Las Vegas, Charles Nino, Libita Status Lynette, Kit Cayetano, Garifuna Duchess, Wasane, and Warisis Skiff, and those are the people right now. So tomorrow again, before the big show, I'll thank the rest of the people who have donated. Because some people say they will donate and never donate, but hey, the project still live on. But hey, you guys did it. The people have spoken, the people have put their money where their mouth is. And man, I go fishing more often. You know, I think I catch more ratte because voila. So I'm at the tip of my tongue right now, ladies and gentlemen. I can't see this thing. Alright, so this is on YouTube as well, so we're trying out YouTube, so we're putting a lot of things out on the YouTube. Jose Zuniga, it's you from Nicaragua. Yes, Jose. Take care of yourself. This thing I'll finish. We have a lot of doubters, but we have to push through the doubters there. Alright, we're gonna push through the doubters there. We have a lot of doubters and a lot of haters, of course. You know, everything you will do, you will find haters. Right? And we are not immune from we are not immune from haters. Haters will live forever. God make good, bad, and the ugly. Hey, I'm just here to do my part. I hope you're here to do your part too and have fun while you're doing it, because life is short. Alright, so we got people. I hear that the fishing, the catches improved. The ratte, they're very pleased with the shade, so they catch more ratte. Alright, so I gotta go. It's been fun. I just giving an update. It's just an update on the people who has donated to this cause. We have this big space right there, so. But you know what look like this Sunday? After Sunday, you know I look like this space. I'm going, where at the tip of the bridge? Where at the tip of the pier? Alright, so man, Riga, we're coming back, you know. This used to be the Mecca of Belize. The commerce. Central commerce of Belize, this entire place, Riga, you know, so it's coming back piece by piece, one boat at a time. Put your mind together, put your hearts together. I love you, know. Ayo.